Hello, here is my life lesson from 500 rupees note. So once there was a famous motivational speaker. He came on the stage and he asked from the crowds that who want this 500 rupees note? So everybody started saying that me. Again, speaker said that who want this 500 rupees note? So everybody started saying, started shouting that me. Some started raising their hand, and then इतने में क्या हुआ कि एक लेडी अपने चेयर से उठी and then भागते हुए आई and she came on the stage and she took this 500 rupees note from the speaker, and then she returned back to her place. And speaker said that this is what I was trying to explain when I asked you all that who want this 500 rupees note. So you all said had this opportunity to take this 500 rupees, but actually में the 500 rupees note इस लेडी को चाहिए था. She just got up from her chair and she came running and she took this 500 rupees note. So here's a deep learning. In our life also, many times we come across so many opportunities, but only few people grab those opportunities by taking action, implementation. Once one of my friend said that, Chanchal, this Uber app idea was there in my mind long back, but Uber came with this, implemented this idea. So it happens many times we plan in our mind and then we fail to take action, and then we see it already been executed, somebody have already taken action, and then we feel regret. One more learning from the same motivation speaker. He just took out 500 rupees note on the stage, and लोगों को लगा कि अगेन स्पीकर बोलेंगे कि 500 रुपीज़ किसको चाहिए, but no, this time speaker got this. He said that what is the value of this 500 rupees? So everybody started smiling. Sir, इसका value तो 500 rupees का 500 rupees ही है. Then again speaker this time he said that he molded this 500 rupees note, and then he said that what is the value of this 500 rupees? So everybody started saying that sir, value तो इसका अभी भी 500 rupees है. तो speaker said okay. इस बार क्या हुआ कि अगेन स्पीकर उसको अच्छे से मोड़ दिए, and then he crushed it, and then he said that now what is the value of this 500 rupees? So everybody started saying that sir, इसका value तो अभी भी इतना ही है, 500 rupees. So here's a deep lesson. Many times our thoughts are not getting resonate with many people in our life, but if we know the real value of our life, then we don't have to bother what people are saying about us. So just understand and learn your value. So I hope you got some lesson from these two incidents, and I would love to hear your thoughts from in the comment box. So just let me know, and thanks for watching.